What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on XRP with Ichimoku analysis. And today, the market is looking pretty bloody today. Looking at the market, we always see that Bitcoin is always in dominance. But before we get into any analysis, I always want to acknowledge Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior because he comes first on this channel. And if you guys are new to this channel and you like what you see and hear on this channel, and feel compelled to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and definitely be a member or a subscriber to this channel. That being said, we're going to jump into this analysis. And also one more thing, feel free to join the free Discord group in the I'll link it in the description section. You could join the Facebook group and definitely, tune in to the live stream tonight. It's going to be around 8 p.m. Central Time. So check your time zone to see if you want to make this live stream tonight. I will be doing a update on XRP price, and I will also be doing cryptocurrency requests if you would like to have your favorite digital asset analyzed tonight. So we will be doing that. But looking at the market, Bitcoin is always in control of the market, always 63%. Actually, the predominance went up about 3% from the last couple of days, 63.76 right now. Market is a little bloody with Bitcoin at a 0.11% loss, now 0.08%. Ethereum sitting at a negative 4% loss. XRP had a negative 2.23% loss. Not too bad. XRP sitting at 24 cents, 792, and so it's not too bad of a hit right now until we start breaking some critical areas. So we're going to take a look at the charts right now and see what the market is looking like. Looking at XRP, we are taking a hit right now, but I'm still bullish for the meantime until we break a certain level, and I'm going to explain why. So we have our baseline here, which is our Kijinsen. This is our base. I like that it's still above this price here. It's still above this line here. This is usually a good strong level of support or resistance. So I do see this playing a role here for the market. I do see that we are forming a bullish Kumo cloud right here. So this is a good sign for price to explode to the upside. And let's see if we take a look here. Chiku span is above price, so we are pretty clean right now. So we need to get to this 27-cent level. I do still see price moving up higher. As long as we're above this blue line, we're still solid. Another thing, you see that the market is making higher lows as well. So that is something to note. If you want to, get pretty technical here, you see a higher low, higher low, higher low, and now we're back on that trend line testing. So right now it's either going to be a break or break. So bounce to the upside or break to the downside is what I'm trying to say. So looking there, I do like what I see in this area, but I'm still going to say that XRP is going to hold here and move to the upside. Now looking at what the market did, because it did make a small correction, and I'll show you with some Fibonacci retracements. Let me see with my Fibonacci tool right in here. So if we look at it, market did make a small correction, and it did break down to the 61.8% level, which is right in here. So we are moving towards the 78% level, which is right below the Kijinsen level, which is our blue line, where we expect the price to hold here. So I will be watching this level, so I will make this visible on the smaller time frames just to keep an eye on it. Looking there, I expect the market to hold. So I'm going to put a blue line right here. So this will give us a look at the lower time frames to see if we could bounce here. And that's what I'm going to be paying attention to the most. Coming down to the 4-hour chart, you see we are holding here pretty tightly at this blue line. We just need a hold at this level, but we do have some bearish signs so far. We got three bearish confirmations that this could potentially push lower. We got one here, we got a bearish cross, so that's one. We got price underneath the cloud, that's 2 signs. And then our third sign, price is underneath the Kijinsen and also the price here, so that's a bad sign for XRP right now. So we could still definitely move lower at this point. Like I said, we could still come down to that 78 level on the daily time frame according to the Fibonacci level. We haven't got a bearish cloud formation yet, which is, probably what's going to happen from here anyway. So I'm going to put this as a green, as a red. I'll put this yellow because yellow is going to say that we haven't yet got that full sign. So until we get that full sign, we got 3 bearish confirmations. So the market may reverse here, and we'll see where the market goes if it does decide to break this level, this blue level. This is not yet in the making, so I will have it listed yellow. Until we get that green, then I'll say we are bearish until we get that cloud twist there. Moving on to the 1 hour time frame, let's take a look. So you see our confirmations in here. Let's take a look at this. Go ahead and knock that off. So yes, right in here. So this is where I was telling you guys we are at that 78 level. Actually, let me see something real quick. Actually, I just knocked it off. I need to take this one off the chart. So let me go ahead and put that back on there. Bam. There we go. All right, so we got that back on there now. Let's go ahead and fix this. I think it's about right in here. Actually, let me go back to the daily chart real quick. Make this visible on only the daily chart for now until I fix this lower time frame for you guys. There we go. Let's see. Knock that off. Come down to the 1. Let me knock this one off really quick. Okay. There we go. Now we are fixed. All right, so yes, here we go. So right now we are looking at a potential bounce here. You already see the price is already bouncing to the upside off this blue line, off the daily chart. We haven't got our confirmation. This is based off the 4 hour. So let me go ahead and knock that off. I don't need too much noise on this time frame, so let me make this only visible here. But looking at the chart, we have a flat Kijun, which means that the market is slow and the momentum has stopped. You see we have bullish price action right here. We have a bullish engulfing candle at support. So price is moving to the upside. So that's a good sign in this zone here. Another thing that I do like here is that, price is sustaining in this trajectory that we had based off the daily time frame. If I bring this back to the daily and I show you again, let me go back here. Let me make this visible on only the smaller time frames right in here. Make this a red line. And let me make this visible for you guys on only the hour time frame, the daily and the hour. So if we look here, actually, let's make it visible on the 15 too. But if we go back to that hour time frame, you see, once again, we are holding this level here, a false breakout, and then a move back to the upside. So this should be a good time to buy XRP right now, according to what the chart is giving us at this present moment. We move down to the 15-minute chart. We are in a bullish TK zone. The market's getting back into equilibrium, which is why this is still flat. So I expect the market to either come up here, either bounce at this level, move to the downside, or continue to range in here, then move up higher. That's what I see so far. So far, it's not a clear-cut answer. There's no such thing as clear-cut when it comes to trading unless you got all your confirmations. But right now, I'm going to be watching this level here to see if price breaks this level. If we could get a break at this level, I will be bullish again. And, that's what I'm going by for now until I see something otherwise. But market is showing us its true colors right now. We need to get above here. We need a bullish cross. After we get a bullish cross, then I'll be more, decisive in a move to the upside. Now let's take a look at the RCI and then I'll call it from there. Let's see. So this is the daily RCI. Daily RCI is showing us that we are bullish, even though we right here is kind of bearish. Not even bearish here. I do see that we are in bullish territory because we are above the 0 level, so that's a good sign there. The signal line here is pushing down, but that means that it's a small correction on the smaller time frames. As you see here on the 4-hour, you see that the main trend, which is our blue or purple line, whatever color you see, has moved lower. And if we look at the chart, this blue line does follow the current market. So market is moving down according to the blue line here, but we are overall bullish is what it's saying at this point. So we need to see a reversal back to the upside. So then probably the next 16 hours or so, we'll probably see the market make its move, depending on what the market wants to do. Maybe even shorter, we don't know yet. Looking here at the 1-hour time frame, it's saying that the market is in a bearish market. If you look here, the market is, both these lines are underneath the zero. The long-term trend, it's our green line, and then the medium trend, which is the current market, is below. So this is something that I do want to make sure that we understand, that this is a bear market on the hour time frame. The signal line is pushing up, so we could get a potential reverse here. And then on the 15-minute time frame, let's take a look at what it's saying here. 15 is saying that it's looking good for a reversal at this point. And if we look here, it is looking good for a reversal. So if anything, for the last few confirmations, I'll probably wait for a bullish cross here. After I get a bullish cross here, then that's when I'll be more prone to taking a move to the upside. But right now, as long as we're below this blue line on the 15, I would stay out of this trade or a trading opportunity. There's no opportunity that's clear cut and decisive yet. So that's what I have for XRP US dollar. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Take care, enjoy the video and I hope you guys tune in for the live stream tonight. It's going to be a good one. Give me your request and I will definitely hit you up in the chat box when we get on live. All right. God bless you guys. See you in the live stream and take it easy. All right. And peace.